comes in many shapes. You think you know what you got until it changes, and life will take you high and low. You gotta learn how to walk and then which way to go. Every choice you make when you're lost, every step you take has its cause. After you clear your eyes, you see the light somewhere in the darkness. After the rain has gone, you feel the sun comes, and though it seems your sorrow never ends, someday it's gonna make sense. Tears you shed are all the same. When you laugh till you cry, or broken down in pain. All the hours you have spent in the past, worrying about a thing that didn't last. Everything you saw played a part in everything you are, in your heart. After you clear your eyes, you see the light somewhere in the darkness. After the rain has gone, you feel the sun comes, and though it seems your sorrow never ends, someday you're gonna find the answers to all the things you become at your expense. Someday it's gonna make sense.
What are you waiting for? Why don't you turn on the TV? Okay, I will turn it on now. What are you waiting for? Why don't you turn on the TV?
Okay, I will turn it on now.
Turn it on Wi-Fi.
Hello. You want Wi-Fi? I'm Tipineda.
And I'm King Manaloto.
You're watching.
Wi-Fi!
I'm Tipineda.
And I'm King Manaloto.
You are watching. Magdalaw. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Mike M. Tipineda.
And I'm King Manaloto.
You're watching.
Wi-Fi!
Ayaw nga pala. Mali.
Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't cry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be miles away, but here is where my heart will stay with you, my friends, with you. Yesterday's a treasure, today is here. Tomorrow's on its way, the sky is clear. Thank you for the memories of all the laughters and tears. Not to mention our doubts and our fears, the hypertension we gave to our peers. It's really funny to look back after all of these years. Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't worry, 'cause it's not the end of everything.
for results. My sincerest and warmest congratulations to all of you on your graduation day. Remember, with God behind you and His arms beneath you, you can face whatever's ahead of you. Mahal ko kayong lahat. Mrs. Angela M.
my friends with only you.
Result 2, Batch 2009-2010. Congratulations to all of us. It has been our 4 years in high school. Now it's time to graduate. We have struggled in our high school life. Now it's time to receive our diplomas. Our graduation day is not the end of our journey, a more challenging one. Thank you for happy and bad memories. We enjoy our high school life, especially in this part year. But there are some of our classmates that we hate their attitude, and some of our classmates that we love them. They said, high school life is the happiest part of being a teenager. Then I agree. In this chapter of our life, we feel different things. We face different challenges, and we fell in love. We hope we never forget each other, especially our section. We salute you. We are very thankful to our teachers and advisors who guided us for 10 months. And thank you so much for being kind to our section. Thanks for the love that you gave to us, and especially to the patients, because we all know Result 2 is very talkative, full of targets, and most of all, full of kalokohan. But you gave your full patience to us. Sorry for the bad times that Result 2 did to all of our teachers. Thank you so much for being part of our high school life, especially in this 4th year life. We miss the time of being pressured, especially in physics. We miss the time when we feel nervous if we pass or we fail. We miss the time when we are cheated and making on liquids to pass our exams. We miss the time when we fooled some of our teachers and some of our classmates. We miss the time when we do some crazy things. Most of all, we miss our crushes, our loved ones, our enemy, our friends, our classmates, our schoolmates, our teachers, our advisors, especially our school, Pampanga High School, our second home, where we grow our knowledge. Congratulations and happy graduation day.